Welcome to this detailed guide on how to split a shape into equal parts in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that every part of the process is clear and easy to understand. First, you will need to launch PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, take a moment to find and open the presentation you wish to modify. This may involve browsing through your saved files and selecting the specific PowerPoint presentation that contains the shape you are interested in editing. After your presentation has loaded, take a close look at the slide where your shape is located. The shape could be any graphic element that you have inserted into your slide. With your presentation clearly visible, go ahead and click on the particular shape you want to work with. This action will not only select the shape, but it will also activate various tools and options within PowerPoint that are specifically related to shape formatting. Now that your shape is selected, you will need to enable a very useful feature called the ruler guide. The ruler guide is particularly helpful when it comes to aligning and reshaping objects so that they are evenly distributed or split into equal segments. To display this guide, press and hold the Alt key along with the Shift key, and then simultaneously tap the F9 key on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will activate the ruler guide, which should appear along the top or side of your editing canvas, depending on your PowerPoint settings. With the ruler guide visible, take your time to carefully observe how it aligns with your shape. The ruler guide provides a visual reference that makes it much easier to adjust the dimensions and proportions of your shape. Use this guide as a steady aid to help you reshape the current object. Begin by locating the points on your shape that require adjustments. With your cursor, click and drag these points or handles until you see that the shape is now evenly divided according to the visual cues provided by the ruler guide. This process of reshaping may take a few moments as you ensure that each segment is exactly equal. Utilize the ruler guide consistently as you adjust the shape. It is there to help you maintain precision and symmetry. Throughout this entire process, it is important to work slowly and deliberately. The shortcut to display the ruler guide is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can save you time and effort in aligning your design accurately. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, take another moment to review your changes. The updates you have made should now clearly show the shape divided into equal parts, each neatly aligned thanks to the guidance provided by the ruler. This step-by-step procedure not only enhances the clarity of your design, but also contributes to a more professional presentation layout. Following these instructions ensures that every part of your shape is treated with precision and care. Enjoy the ease and efficiency that comes from mastering this method in PowerPoint, and continue exploring other features available in the program to further enhance your presentations.